This is a 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. Its top features and packages include cooled seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, trailer wiring, fog lamps, tinted glass, an anti-lock braking system, an unattended headlight warning chime, steering wheel mounted controls, and this vehicle has less than 31,000 miles. Not to mention that this Chevrolet qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Peck Honda is located at 11151 Highway 49 in Gulfport. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.